My name's Janelle Inoue. We're at Magpie in Sacramento, California. Magpie is a farm-to-table restaurant, and we really try and focus on food that makes sense to Sacramentans. We have such a beautiful proximity to lots of the farms, so we've been able to build some pretty deep relationships with some of our farmers. We are so lucky to have Route 64 in town. They're an urban farm, very small. They provide us with vegetables year-round, lots of herbs, lots of roots, lots of greens. It's so important to be part of the community, I think, to really just try and build those relationships that are close to you when you have a restaurant. And people are just really so excited when they can also see the farmer at the farmer's market and, kind of make that connection of like, oh, I had this at Magpie and now I can just buy it for myself and try and cook it at home. The location of Sacramento is right in the center of what is the breadbasket of California. We produce so much food here, such a wide variety of crops that can grow here year-round. A lot of times when you buy something that has been cultivated in just one day versus having to travel from someplace else, it will be an entirely different vegetable. We choose to have locally produced food on our menu because I think that it is congruent to our philosophy with food and trying to highlight a lot of what's going on in the area.